So in today's video, I'll just show you guys how I created this consistent character of myself. Yeah, it's not that hard to do, it's not complicated. So just chill, let me show you. But if today is your first time of watching my video, or if you are just seeing my video for the first time, please do it, like, share to persons that needs it, and subscribe. So I'll not waste your time. Let me just show you now. So the first thing you want to do is to head over to Flow. Yeah, I use Flow to generate most of my images because it's simple to use and it's not that hard. They have a lot of things built in it. So you probably want to start a new project. So the first thing you want to do is to click on start a new project. If you're using your phone, you can click that to start a new project. Then for me, I'll say I don't really have the headshot image that I want to use to generate multiple scenes. So I'll first of all upload an image of me. Then I'm going to tell Gemini or this particular AI to generate an headshot for this image first. Yeah, this image that I want to use to generate multiple scenes. But I'll be very detailed in my prompts to make sure that the AI does not change my face. So I want you to I'll just type everything in. So here's my prompt. I want you to create a professional headshot. Let me just pick the image first. So add the prompt. I want you to create a professional headshot of this image. Do not change anything from the face. Put the final image in a white background. I want to select image, not video, image, then the aspect ratio. I want you to create four at a time so I can have options. So I'll just click enter. Then I'm going to wait. So I'll wait for a while so the AI can do it all. Alright, so um this is what Flow gave to me. So I can work with any of this. I'll just download this one. I think I'll just work with this one because I don't want to reprompt this thing again. It's going to like take time. So I'll just work with this particular one. I think looks like me. Yeah, that's me. Yes, 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 yes. Got it right. Tried. Those are this one, sweet 12, this one, weight 12. So the next thing I want to do, I already have my image now. I already have my image. So this is the image that I'll be using. This particular image to generate multiple scenes. I'll go back. I will leave this particular project. So ideally, to just click on what's it called? Or let me just go back. Let me just click on the project. So since I have my images here, what I want to do is just click on tools. On your flow, just click on tools. That's my tools community. You see it here. These are tools that people have built, so you don't have to stress yourself. Then I'll just select this character persona generator, then open in project. So immediately I open it in project, you're going to see this. Yeah. So you're going to see simple base, blah blah blah. I think it's still so all these things. This is supposed to be a checkbox. Let me refresh this page. Okay. My network is bad. Is it my network? Alright, I think it has. Yeah, don't work. So what you want to do now is to just upload your reference image, which I will pick. Is it this one? No, this one. No, this one. This one looks more realistic. I think this is the one. So I'm going to add this image, a single portrait. Then this particular tool, under tools here. So this remix of character under tools. Then you upload the image that you want to create different things for. Then I'm just going to run. So you give it some time. Yeah, it's going to take like I think maybe 4 to 5 minutes, but it's going to do the work so well. So yeah, we'll come back to it. So let me just chill. So it has finished doing everything. So this is what the AI gives to me. it is super super cool. I'm not going to lie. It is perfect for people that want to create graphics and you need a consistent character. Yeah, these are that. What am I saying? So this is not how my side face look in real life, but I'm not using this for the fact that okay, I want a real life picture of me to get. So this is a full picture, and it's super 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 cool. I'm not going to lie. This one, this one, this one. It's super cool. And if you want to add it as character, you can just come here as character and all. Then probably turn it to video if you want to. So that's just it. Thanks for watching. Yeah, and if you want to download it, so you don't have to download it individually, you can just click download and it's going to zip the entire file and download it for you. So it's that simple. Yeah, very, very simple. If you like this content, you want more of it, just do it. Subscribe, like this video, and follow me. Till then, bye.